Hi everybody. One question that we commonly get is, how can I train my dog to be able to clean the ears? Routine ear cleanings is not something that every dog's going to need, but these are the steps that are involved to getting your dog used to routine ear cleanings. Certain dogs may need cleanings monthly. If you have a dog that gets frequent ear infections, you might have to do it more often than that. Generally speaking, I don't have any particular product that I like more than any other. There's plenty of really good over-the-counter ones that you can use, but if we need to use a medicated one, we can talk to you about the specifics of what special ear cleaner your dog might need. The first step in order to be able to clean your dog's ears is making sure that you've got the right equipment. You're going to want to reward your dog for doing the stuff that they do that you like. So you want to make sure that you've got their favorite treat. The other thing that you're going to want is the ear cleaner. And then you're going to want to use some type of product to be able to kind of clean up the ear a little bit. You can use some gauze like this, some cotton balls, but I don't really ever use Q-tips. Q-tips have actually been shown to potentially push material down further into the ear canal or potentially even damage the ear canal. So the first thing that we're going to want is to have your dog used to sit and stay commands, because you're going to want them to hold still while you're kind of working on doing the ear cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and have Hanky sit. Good boy, Hank. So Hank sat, he did what I wanted to do, and I'm going to go ahead and give him his reward. The next thing is I want to kind of get Hank used to me and working around his head and his ears. So at first we're just going to sort of gently hold his head and pet him a little bit. And I'm going to work on that for 15 or 20 minutes a night, a couple of nights a week for a week or two, just to get him to the point where he's really comfortable and holds still when I touch and pet around his ears. Then we're going to work on kind of opening up one ear like that. He's not doing anything, so I'm going to go ahead and give him a reward. Good job, Hank. Once he's getting really good about me working in and around his ears, we'll go ahead and introduce one of the ear cleaners. Again, your veterinarian might recommend a certain ear cleaner if you don't have a dog that has common ear infections, but frequently just one of the over-the-counter ear cleaners works just fine. They have a little tip that you'll insert into the ear canal, and you just give it a little squirt. There's a little cartilage part of the ear canal that you can feel just below the ear, and I'm going to gently massage Hank's ear canal. He's doing a really good job, so you can comfort him throughout it. Good boy, Hank. Good job. Once I've got it nice and clean, I'm going to use one of my gauze squares, and just using a finger kind of scoop the fluid out. Just like that. Really gentle. I'm not trying to push anything down. I'm mostly just trying to absorb it up. Good job. After that, go ahead and give him a treat for doing such a good job and move on to the other ear. Good boy, Hanky. Insert the little tip right into the ear canal. Give it a little bit of a squirt. And then right here I'm going to work on massaging that little bit of fluid down in the ear canal. And then I'm going to use one of the little pieces of gauze and my finger to gently kind of wipe the inner part of the ear. I'm not trying to push anything down. I'm just trying to do a little bit of wiping. And you wipe until your gauze square is clean or dry, and then you're all done. Alright, good job, Hanky. He did a really good job, so I'm going to give him his treat for being such a good boy. And that's how you train your dog to do ear cleanings. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email.